Welcome to Terminology Tutor, your go-to channel to help you expand your vocabulary. In today's video, we'll cover essential hospital terms and equipment. Let's get started. Nurse, doctor, surgeon,
paramedic, ambulance, wheelchair,
gurney or trolley, air ambulance, blood sample, urine sample,
test tube, microscope, X-ray, blood pressure, scale, prescription, antibiotics, syrup, tablets, capsule,
eye drops, inhaler, surgery,
CPR or cardiopulmonary resuscitation, biopsy,
splinting, suturing, intubation, intravenous line or IV,
stethoscope,
first aid kit,
thermometer, oxygen mask,
medical scissors, surgical mask,
surgical plaster tape, surgical cotton, gauze, tweezer,
scalpel,
adhesive bandage or plaster, crutches, cane or walking stick, hearing aid,
shower chair, walker,
sprain, chest pain, abdominal pain, breathing difficulties, stroke,
orthodontic braces or braces, pharmacy,
emergency department or ER,
morgue or mortuary, imaging center, syringe, glucometer, handrails and grab bars. Overbed table.
Bedside commode. Foot elevation pillow. Cervical collar.
Orthopedic boot. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.